Well, today I am installing another DEI product. This is their underhood thermal and acoustic lining. And here are some pics showing typical installations. But rather than under the hood of a conventional vehicle, I will be installing this on my 65 VW Bus. So this product is an adhesive-backed foam and heavy aluminum facing product. And the point here is the aluminum foil primarily used to reflect heat. And the foam, the closed cell foam, which it appears to be, is for thermal and acoustic resistance. And my goal was to apply that to the underside of the package tray on the VW bus here. And you'll notice that all these buses and vehicles of this era didn't have any really insulation, and I've seen some people paint rhino liner or something that was somewhat protective. Rhino liner and other products tend to melt. And you'll see here I have a passive fire suppression system already installed in the event of fire. My goal here is to cut two panels and place them above the engine, and then whatever I have remaining to put on the back side of the engine where the gas tank is. So my next step here is to measure the surface areas that I'll be applying this product to, and then I'll be cutting that down and installing it. I'm working on the first panel here, and you can see this is sort of what it will look like installed in this location. I initially cut it a little large and then trimmed it down to fit in that space. It's pretty sticky on the adhesive side, right? So you'll want to just peel back, sort of the one side of it, and then fit it in place and make sure it's nice and snug in here. And then once you have that adhered, then you can pull out the remaining part of the backing, and I'll get this piece installed all the way and then do the second piece there. All right, I have the second panel installed and kind of at a stopping point for the day, so I just want to kind of wrap up this video. Overall, fairly pleased with the product, how it goes in. It's fairly easily installed, pliable. Again, recommending that you try to fit in the piece with the backing. Once this is installed, it is not coming off. The adhesive is very strong. The only difficulty I had was this is a 100-degree day, and the adhesive stuck a little bit to the backing, and I had a little difficulty getting the backing off. But overall, happy with the outcome of this product.